Every film that I've done, I have worn a tag watch. One has never tried to, the whole marketing of tag has always been, according to Ravi, and I think the international model also, it's not in your face. It doesn't want to tell you in every film or every hoarding, see, I'm wearing a tag. I think some of the pictures we've done otherwise also are without the watch. You know, what are you made of and things like that. Because we want to keep it subtle. It's a lifestyle. We don't want to blatantly tell it in your face. But Mehuna had a special watch made by Tag for me, I remember. But we didn't market it like that. It was made with a special strap that they devised over 6 months. One other thing, when people ask questions about naming of watches and signature watches, it does take a long time to design because, you know, it's not only about the outer beauty. The idea is to bring in an aspect of the person who's giving the signature into the mechanism of the watch also. So it takes a bit of a time. And for Mehuna, we had a watch. For Dawn, we had the 69 watch, which Priyanka has half part of it. This one doesn't turn. She only has the 6 part of it.
No, but I have the other one as well with the signature.
With the signature.
Yeah.
And even for Om Shanti Om, I'm wearing one of actually I'm wearing a Formula 1 red colored watch as the protagonist, which is really nice. It's a loud red colored watch, which can only be to specific taste actually if people like wearing that. And I wear it in every film, wherever it's required. Of course, if it's not, even in Swades, they had done me a special watch to keep it low key, not loud or big or chunky. So I've always worn watches which are tag, and sometimes when we require it, especially like we did in Dawn or Mehuna, tag has always been really wonderful. Take a bit of time. One of an important character, we do it. Om Shanti Om has one special tag. Even in KBC, I wear a tag. Actually, a lot of people think that's a marketing gimmick. I'd like to clarify that. I don't think the management of TAG would ever take a stand that let's give free watches. That genuinely is a very clear personal thing, and I'm running out of watches. So the one I was wearing just now is the last TAG watch that I had. So this whole meeting has been to get and acquire a new watch. So this is the one that I've got. But I always wear a tag. I don't wear anything. I mean, even to bed I wear a tag. While taking a bath I wear a tag. It's the most comfortable watch really. So it's a cool watch. Try it. We are selling some behind right now.
Even I was just wearing
price,
the tag itself, but then I saw that I was getting a new watch, so I took it off and made space in advance.
Shahrukh?
See, I think in the larger perspective of things, you know, when an economy is growing like ours is now, if you just pick on one brand, to be really clear and straightforward and say how important is that for the whole country of India. Obviously the relevance of a brand or a person or a group of people also is not comparable to the importance it would hold in our country. But as far as a segment is concerned, as far as where we are headed towards, as far as attracting international business into our company, into our country, which is going to make our companies grow, which is going to make our country one of the oldest brands, one of the most prestigious brands, genuinely, apart from being an ambassador and talking like this about it. It is important to attract that kind of business in our country. So, whether we like it or we don't like it, the idea is, as the economy is growing, as per capita income is growing, the lifestyles are changing. And we should not just get stuck. There are some economies which closed themselves completely and said only our product, I'm not saying they're autocratic, but only our product, no other product. But I think it's very important to have a choice for the consumer, which is being given to the rest of the world. And TAG standing for what it does in terms of just business, pure business. The group completely, which is LVMH, standing for what has been doing all over the world, it's important for a segment of our economy to have brands like TAG, to have other brands also, which are coming in hordes now in the country. And to me, according to me, is one of the...
Want to feel like, you know, you've achieved something in your life. I would go out there and buy a tag or a watch and then actually feel like I've achieved something.
I'll be very honest about things. There are a lot of things like I can't endorse a cigarette because I smoke myself. I don't think it's a good thing for health. Neither is a lot of other things that I might be endorsing. But see, there are health checking facilities. They need to check out and let us know. I'm on that front as common as you are about the knowledge. I don't have detailed knowledge, and if somebody is going to take a stand and say, look, this is not right for me to do, why would I do it? Why would I sell something which is not approved by a central agency to be sold in my country? Even if it includes tag. If it is not approved, we can't sell it. We are absolutely legal, law-abiding, and of course health-conscious people, not only for ourselves, but for the rest of our country too. And yes, I understand that I hold now, at least in the last 5-7 years, a position of responsibility that I have towards the people who may be swayed in their opinions because I am endorsing something. And it is very important for me to make sure that these products are in no which way harmful. But is it as much as driving a car can cause an accident? Am I not going to endorse a car because it does cause accidents? No. But if that specific car has some problems with the brake linings and has been proven, and a central agency says, no, this cannot be sold, of course I'm not going to do it. So, you know, this is going to be a question. Whenever asked to an ambassador, it will, it can be seen from both sides. I can have people giving articles about, I read one today, that Aamir and Shah Rukh are endorsing drinks which are a health hazard. But if they're a health hazard, why are they being allowed to be sold in our country? Why isn't there an agency? Why are we allowing this to be sold? And if it is being sold, then I should be told that no, it should come with an X warning. It doesn't come with an X warning either. Cigarettes come with a warning, and you know, it can kill you. Cigarettes can kill. So obviously,
liquor thing.
it doesn't come with a warning that it can kill you. It doesn't come with a warning, and it is no, and also in no way justified. In no way justified. It's a brand. Everybody's utilizing it. It's going to be marketed in the country. And I told the people who were endorsing it also with me that we'll be doing it apart from the fact that it is allowed to be sold in our country. I mean, movies are certified adults and good and bad and ugly, but everybody sells them. So there are going to be moral and business taken to court. It's not going to get sorted out like this, really.
Thing with you.
Yeah, so
I
does
mean,
anyone have the
come
score?
on. You've got to
Does
love
anyone
us
got
for
a score?
that.
Yeah, 8:30.